Here is the script for the review of the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI. Are you ready to unleash your inner AI genius? Today, I'm going to show you a machine that's so powerful, it'll make you feel like a true mastermind. Behold, the ASUS Ascent GX10 personal AI supercomputer, the brainchild of NVIDIA and ASUS, designed to revolutionize the world of artificial intelligence. The first thing you need to know about this powerhouse is its heart, the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip. This tiny titan packs a punch of 1 petaFLOP of AI performance. Think of it like having a supercomputer in your living room that can solve complex math problems faster than even the fastest supercomputers on the planet. And with 128 gigabytes of memory, you've got plenty of room to store all your precious data. That's right, folks, this machine is capable of processing massive amounts of information in record time, making it perfect for data scientists, researchers, and developers who want to push the boundaries of AI. But what makes this machine truly special is its developer-optimized platform. Essentially, this means that it's been designed with AI experts in mind, people who need a secure, long-running workflow that can handle complex tasks like fine-tuning models for machine learning. With compatibility across popular frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw, you'll be able to build and deploy your own custom AI solutions without breaking the bank. And let's talk about scalability, because when it comes to AI, performance is key. The ASUS Ascent GX10 features NVIDIA NVLink C2C for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication. This means that no matter how complex your calculations get, this machine will be able to handle them with ease. Plus, with NVIDIA ConnectX-7 networking, you can stack multiple systems together for even greater performance and flexibility. But what about when things start to heat up? Because, let's face it, computers can get pretty hot sometimes. That's where the advanced thermal design comes in, a clever cooling system that ensures sustained high performance and reliability, all while keeping your workspace nice and cool. It's like having a supercomputer that doesn't make you feel like you're stuck in a sauna. And here's the best part, with the GB10 Superchip and NVIDIA AI software stack, this machine offers a full-stack solution for AI development and deployment. That means you'll have everything you need to go from concept to reality, including tools for training, testing, and validating your models. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this thing really worth the hype? And my answer is a resounding yes. With its unbeatable performance, scalability, and features like AI-specific software and advanced thermal management, the ASUS Ascent GX10 personal AI supercomputer is an investment that's sure to pay dividends for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this revolutionary machine and unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Note, I've aimed for a script that would run around 3 to 4 minutes long, approximately 550 words. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments.